Hi, my name is Nikita and I'm a senior consultant psychologist with Amaha, and I'm here to debunk some myths and confirm some facts about OCD and anxiety. Let's go. Here's the first one. Therapy makes OCD worse at first. That's neither a fact nor a myth. It is an experience that people may go through. Certain types of therapy in OCD, such as the exposure and response prevention, can make symptoms a little worse in the beginning. The reason for this is when we do ERP, or exposure and response prevention, which is a very researched and highly effective technique for OCD, we tend to expose the client to the anxiety producing situation. So for example, if you have an OCD where you are constantly cleaning because you feel something is dirty. So if you've touched something and you want to wash your hands immediately, at that point, what we would do is have the client touch something and not have them wash their hands. This will increase anxiety initially to a point where it will reach a peak and then slowly plateau, which we call as habituation. And then once you get habituated to anxiety, it will fall from there. Your anxiety will reduce and the person will be better able to manage the distress from not washing their hands. And that's largely how the therapy modality works. So hence, not really a myth or a fact, but can be an experience for a lot of people. All right. In anxiety, you can't experience exhaustion and restlessness at the same time. Well, this one's a myth. You can experience, in fact, in most cases, you do experience exhaustion and restlessness at the same time when it comes to anxiety. The reason is that in anxiety, there are two processes that are happening for you. One is where the hormones are released, which put your body in a fight or flight mode, which causes alertness, hypervigilance, and makes you wonder, if there's something wrong in the environment. So you're looking for threats. That can create a very restless energy within you. At the same time, you're overthinking. There's a fatigue. There is, your heart rate has gone up, which can be very tiring and can cause a lot of fatigue, where the exhaustion can set in. So yes, in anxiety, exhaustion and restlessness can happen at the same time.